Welcome to Grace Garden. And I'm Carol Kanicki. I live and work in Grace Garden, and I'm so happy that you stopped by today. Please make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy. Today we're going to be working with a lovely assortment of flowers, and this is the vase that we're putting it in. I'm starting with a block of very saturated floral foam, and I've shaped the foam to fit in the vase a little bit, but it is firmly in there. If it's not firmly in there, you have to tape it so that this doesn't move with the weight of the flowers that we're going to add. There's not a lot of greens in this arrangement, so first I'm going to fill in with some of my astrainaria. I have to separate the hydrangeas that are cut and conditioned from the ones that are growing. These I cut early this morning while it was still dark, and have been conditioning in deep cold water so that they'll last a good long time. If I just picked them off if I just cut them and used them straight away, you'd think that that'd be the best root, is as fresh off the bush as you can get. But if you condition them by freshly cutting their stem and plunging them into deep water for several hours, even overnight, really adds longevity to your flowers, even ones you pick out of your own garden. Now I want to place the lilies because I'm going to want them to be situated specifically front and center right here. Fresh cut. Look at it from your side so I can I can move you closer. You want to get closer? Next, I want to use these. that's gonna do it. What do you think? I like it. I had to add a little greens, a couple pieces of Solomon seal before I let it leave the shop.